Okay, now we proceed to the next example. Let's say we have our A, okay, is equal to 1, 2, 3, negative 1, 2, negative 5, 2, 3, and 1. Okay, and let's say our B is equal to 1, 5, 0, 2, 1, negative 1, 1, 3, and 2. Okay, now, so the question asks you to find A times B or A multiply B. So that means we have two matrix, okay, A and B. So for the matrix A is a 3 by 3 matrix and matrix B is a 3 by 3 matrix. So now we check, okay, 3 and 3 is same. That means your answer must be 3 by 3 matrix. So that means must have 3 row and 3 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 3 row and 3 column. So that means you must find the 9 elements. Okay, the 9 value. Okay, so now how to get? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, that means this first row 1, 2, 3, okay, must be times with the first column of matrix B. Okay, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one, the first one you get this value. Then for this value, this row times with the second column. Then you get the value here. And for the third elements 1, 2, 3 again times with 0, negative 1 and 2. Then you get this value. So for this value, okay, again we have the second, this one is a second row, okay, of matrix A. You must be times with the first column of matrix B. So you will get the value is here. Then you have to do the same, negative 1, 2, negative 5 times with the second column of matrix B. Then we get the value of here. Then again negative 1, 2, negative 5 times with 0, negative 1 and 2. Then we get the value is here. Okay, for the last one, okay, this one you must times with here, then you get this one, then 2, 3, 1 times with this one, you get the value is here, then times with the column of B, then you get the value is here. Okay, now let's do. Okay, now, so we start. Okay, we use this one. Okay, for the first row, okay, 1 times with 1, then you get 1. Okay, so 2 times with the 2, we get positive 4. Then 3 times with 1, you have positive 3. Okay, this one for the first element. So for the second element, this row times with the second column. So 1 times with 5, what do we get? 5. 2 times with 1, you get 2. Okay. Then 3 times with the 3, you get 9. Then you have 1 times with the 0, you get 0. 2 times with negative 1, you get negative 2. And 3 times with the 2, you get 6. Okay, Now, for the second row, okay, negative 1 times the 1, you get negative 1. Then we have 2 times with 2, get 4. Negative 5 times with 1, you get negative 5. Then negative 1 times with the 5, you get negative 5. 2, okay, times with the 1, you get 2. Negative 5 times with the 3, you get negative 15. Okay, so for this element, again, this row times with this column. So negative 1, okay, times with the 0, get 0. 2 times with negative 1, we get negative 2. Negative 5 times with 2, we get negative 10. So the last one, this row times with this column. So you get 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 2 get 6. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Then 2 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is negative 3. 1 times 2 is 2. So we already have the 9 elements. Okay. So then we have to simplify. 1 times 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. 9 plus 7 is 16. And we have 4. Negative 1 plus 4 is negative 3 is negative 8. Okay. Negative 5 plus 2 minus 11, you get negative 18. Okay, 0, negative 2 is negative 12. Okay, then we have 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 10, that means 16. This one is negative 1. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, now we check again. This one, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 3 minus 5 should be negative 2, not negative 8. This one is negative 2. Okay, one is eraser. Okay, this one is negative 2.